मौत भी कबूल है, इश्क फातिमा तो जिंदगी फजूल है, तो जिंदगी फजूल है। लब्बैक लब्बैक या ज़हरा, लब्बैक 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 या ज़हरा, या ज़हरा, या ज़हरा। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला फातिमत अबीहा व उम्मिहा व बअलिहा व बनीहा व सिर्रिल मुस्तौदअ फीहा बिअदद मा अहात बिही इल्मुक लिनुबश्शिर अनफुसना बिअन्ना क़द तहरना बिविलायति हबीबतिल मुस्तफ़ा क़रीनतिल मुर्तज़ा मुबश्शिरतिल औलिया सय्यदतुन निसा व बल्लिग़हा मिन्ना तहियतन व सलामा व आतिना मिन लदुनका फ़ी हुब्बिहा फ़ज़लन व एहसानन रहमतन व गुफ़रानन इन्नका ज़ुल अफ़्विल करीम या अरहमर राहिमीन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद। Just, I would like to share one title of Sahib al-Zaman Ajallahu Ta'ala Farajul Sharif. We are here to prove that we are followers. Are we? Yes? Brothers have the same responsibility and our sisters have some same responsibility. Here only we need to realize that the state Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala placed us as a believer or as a follower or lover of Sahib al-Zaman or Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam. Are we staying on that place or that maturity or that understanding, or we are displaced with the somehow misguidance or affection, influence of traditional, cultural, ritual, different values of families or, environment. We have lots of, things which affect us, where we live, what to eat, where we connect, who's our friends. So sometimes we are under pressure with family and culture, and we displace ourselves as a believer and practice immature practice. Today my message, when we practice immature message, wallahi, we did not get that rewards as much as we have to be awarded. So everyone say, oh yes, I have got Alam Abbas alayhi salam and I did this for Ashura, walk, I did this. My this dua is not accepted, so what I have to do? We just need to walk through that journey where I am standing towards understanding that Imam who is crying for this to ask for my reappearance. Do we realize this? When we say Assalamu alaikum, do you know that we got hadith narration that our honorable guest, Chris here, he spoke scientifically. We need to understand the science of titles. When we say salam, everything in this word has a roots and reality. As our physical appearance is my physical appearance, but my reality is my soul. Your reality is your soul. So your haqiqat is your soul. If my soul is not listening those practices which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created and practice my physical appearance and that practices and actions I practice differently, then there will be a confusion, depression, sicknesses, illnesses, lack of information, lack of wisdom, quickly getting under pressure. WhatsApp messages, I have to do this. We are crazy with the little messages. So if we get that information, only one hadith I will say and I will leave that place yet. If you are, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hadith of Imam Sadiq. Recognize the imamat. Once you know the imamat, it will bring you on state not to see the harm early or later. So if we see the harm, really we are not on the state and the place where Imams wanted us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala placed us. My request, we need to please recognize yourself. Find your value. Value your time. Value yourself. Find your place where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala placed you as a follower of Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam. When we prove that in actions, you will see that nur, that light, that wisdom, then ease in your work. And if we're not, we just saying with our tongue, lip service, doing lots of matam, we did whole night. So do we memorize dua ahad? I ask my brothers, reciters, Nuha Khan, everyone in this whole world, which praises and mankabat Allah has mentioned in Holy Quran, words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do we try our best to take that praises of Ahlul Bayt from Quran and recite them how Allah mentioned? If we deeply understand that, we can enlighten ourselves. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. This is the time we need to understand. We get together for Imam Zaman Ajallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif. Inshallah, Imam is watching us. And كل نفس جاءت معها سائق وشهيد. The day of judgment, every nafs has to be with one witness and one shahid, with shaheed. So inshallah, I pray and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and especially Syeda Fatima Zahra Salaamullah alayha Hanbal. Whoever sitting here, Ya Syeda Fatima Zahra, bihaqqi abru ya Sayyid al-Shuhada, bless them with shifa. Risk of shifa, risk of wisdom, risk of ma'rifat Imam, risk of mature intizar, mature waiting for Sahib al-Zaman, inshallah. And accept these humble services towards Sahib al-Zaman Ajallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif. एक दफ़ा फिर आप सबकी खिदमत में बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इंशाअल्लाह. आप सब तशरीफ लाए. Thank you so much. जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर. एक लफ्ज़ बोलना था कि one title was Imam's Salam and Hakim. If you wanted to, there is lots of narrations. Hakim, the origin and hakikat of Hakim is the Sahib al-Zaman. And salam, we think, assalamu alaikum, salamu alaikum. You find the narrations of Ahlul Bayt, Imam Baqir al-Islam, Imam Ja'far Sadiq al-Islam. We got that hadith, that haqiqat, like our haqiqat is our soul. So the haqiqat of salam is Sahib al-Zaman, Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif. The soul of ruh of salam is Sahib al-Zaman, Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif. So just, remind yourself how many times in a day Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, why it's wajib. And sending the salams, think about haqiqat, about the nur and soul of salam. So we are remembering Sahib al-Zaman whole the day. And if someone sends salams, get rewards. In answer, get rewards. Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessing us hundreds of rewards through this salam, giving them salams, taking salams. So with the small words, you can be blessed with the best of blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inshallah, with dua, Allahumma ajjal waliyaka al-faraj. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
LYZ TV.